This is ANN News Brief.
At least 5 West African presidents, including Nigeria's Muhammadu Buhari, are in Mali for more talks on resolving the country's political crisis. Mali has seen a wave of protests from opposition groups who accuse the government of not tackling a growing jihadist insurgency, insecurity, corruption, and failure to address contested local election results. The protesters are demanding President Boubacar Keïta resign. At least 12 persons have been killed in the past weeks in protests against Bamako. The delegation, led by ECOWAS head Niger's Mohamed Safo, is expected to hold talks with Mali's political actors to try to end the protracted crisis. Other members include presidents of Nigeria, Senegal, Ghana, and Ivory Coast. The United States Africa Command says 7 Islamic State jihadists have been killed in a U.S. airstrike in northeastern Somalia. A statement by the command says the attack was coordinated with the Somali government. Islamic State militants have been active in Somalia for nearly 5 years. Another jihadist group, Al-Shabaab, is also waging offensives in the country, trying to take over the nation and change its system of rules to one based on strict interpretation of Islamic law. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
South Africa has announced a record 24-hour increase in coronavirus deaths. 572 new deaths were reported on Wednesday, bringing the total number of fatalities to nearly 6,000. Almost half the country's total number of deaths has been reported in the Western Cape province that has the second highest number of confirmed cases. Majority of confirmed coronavirus cases is in Gauteng province, the country's financial hub and epicenter of the pandemic. South Africa currently has 395,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, there are concerns the death toll from the coronavirus in South Africa may be significantly higher than official figures currently show. Experts from South Africa's Medical Research Council say figures for natural deaths are far higher than usual, suggesting thousands of COVID-19 deaths may be going unreported. A study of the past 10 weeks shows there have been 17,000 more deaths than usual for this time of year. There are also concerns that South Africans are staying away from hospitals because of a lack of space or fear of catching coronavirus. This has raised fears that fatal illnesses such as tuberculosis and HIV/AIDS are not being treated. That is ANN News Brief at 4. Join us again at 5 for our full newscast. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.